Hello everybody, welcome back. Hope everybody's having a great day today. Today is Wax Wednesday, and I'm going to be opening up some 1991-92 Upper Deck basketball cards. And I'm not doing the whole box, so that would take way too long. And so I just grabbed a stack out of there. I've already opened some of these in previous videos, just kind of worked around with some other basketball stuff. And in one of those packs, if you saw the video, I pulled this Michael Jordan hologram, and which is really cool, and hoping to maybe pull some more of these today. And I'm not sure exactly how many come in each box, but hoping to pull some of those. Looking for some, of course, other like the base Michael Jordans, Magic Johnson, Scottie Pippens, and some of the other great players. And I picked that box up off of eBay several months ago for like 20 bucks, and just been kind of sitting here, and so gonna be ripping some of it today. And so got the packs, gonna be going through 9 packs, and so let's get started and hopefully we can get some good stuff. Now, if you've seen some of the previous videos these have been opened in, these cards are in every which direction, upside down, backwards, pretty much. You'll see. It's a little weird, but you got Chris Mullin, All-Star. Doug Overton. Bernard King. Andy Toulson. Vlad Divic. Ron Harper. Steve Alford. Sam Bowie. Mark Akers. Kendall Gill. Haywood Workman, and Del Carey. And also forgot to mention, looking for some Phoenix Suns, because I PC the Suns, so looking for those also. East All-Stars, Joe DeMars. Jimmy Oliver, rookie card. East All-Stars, Dominique Wilkins. Bo Kimball. PC hit, Tom Chambers. Andre Turner. Spud Webb. Gerald Patio. Craig Ello, that's how you say it. Kenny Gaddison, Herb Williams, and Charles Jones. So as you can tell, the cards are just every which direction inside these packs. Not exactly sure why Upper Deck did that, and because some of the other stuff from this era I've seen ripped from basketball, and not like that. So guess that was an Upper Deck exclusive. Worthy, Los Angeles, James Worthy, checklist. PC hit, the Suns checklist. Tom Chambers. Another checklist for the Pacers. Reggie Miller. Loy Vault. Michael Thompson. Andrew Lang. Vernon Maxwell. Reggie Williams. Scott Skiles. It's just every which way. Mario Ellie. Felton Spencer. And Orlando Woolridge. Orlando Magic checklist of Scott Skiles. David Robinson, San Antonio Spurs checklist. Detroit Pistons, Isaiah Thomas checklist. Lots of checklists in these last couple of packs. Thurl Bailey, Buck Williams, Rory Sparrow, Jeff Turner, Darnell Valentine, Terry Catledge, Kenny Smith, Benoit Benjamin, and Bimbo Coles. It'd be so much easier doing this if all the cards are faced the same direction. Spend half the video flipping them around. Start off with another checklist in this one for the Dallas Mavericks. Got Rolando Blackman. Philadelphia 76ers checklist of Hersey Hawkins, Hakeem Olajuwon for the Rockets checklist. Got Olden Polynice, Craig Hodges, PC hit, Cedric Ceballos, Jerome Kersey, Eric Lechner, the Hornets, Nick Anderson, Scott Brooks, Avery Johnson, and Sarunas. Let's call him Sarunas. Not sure how to say that last name. I didn't watch a whole lot of basketball growing up, so I know a lot of the big names, but I don't know a whole lot of the, I'm still learning a lot of the other players, and I've just recently been getting into basketball, so it's still kind of new to me, but I like getting the old cards anyway. Got the Nets checklist. Derek Coleman. Hakeem, that guy again, for the Rockets. Hakeem Olajuwon. 76ers checklist. Hersey Hawkins. Kevin Edwards. Glenn Rice. Charles Smith. Kevin Willis. Anthony Cook. Brad Davis. Buck Johnson. Chucky Brown, and Karl Malone. So far, no big hits or anything. Hoping, got 3 packs left. Hopefully we'll pull something in one of these final 3 packs. Another checklist. Denver Nuggets got Chris Jackson. Isaiah Thompson for the Pistons checklist. Spurs, David Robinson. Now, usually checklists are just kind of meh, but I actually think these checklists are cool. And I like pulling the checklist in this set. Byron Scott, James Worthy, Jeff Martin, Danny Eng, something, I probably butchered that. Craig Elo, Gerald Patio, Randy Brewer, Mark Bryant, and Kevin Johnson, another PC hit. Come on, hopefully we'll get something good out of these final 2 packs. Got a Pacers checklist of Reggie Miller. 2 Pacers checklists in a row for Reggie Miller. That's weird. Another Phoenix Suns checklist. Tom Chambers. D. Brown. Ronnie Cycli. Robert Parrish. Larry Smith. Mark Akers. Sam Bowie. Another checklist of, oh, this is just a checklist. So you apparently have the team checklist, and then you just have a regular checklist. So they're just kind of filling up spots, I guess. Ran out of players. I don't know. I don't know why you need two totally different checklists. I get this is the complete numbers, and this is just the team. But when you eventually have everybody covered on the team checklist, you'd think. Kurt Rambis for the Suns, PC hit. And Clyde Drexler. I don't know, to me it seems kind of funny they have regular checklist in here, mixed in with the team checklist. I may be the only one who thinks that, but to me it just seems kind of comical. Too bad it's not a checklist for the checklist. Got another checklist for Detroit Pistons, Isaiah Thomas. Chris Jackson Nuggets checklist. There's so many checklists. Seattle Supersonics checklist. Sean Kemp. Sam Perkins. Another Sam Perkins. Come on, Upper Deck, you're getting sloppy. Danny Manning. I mean, look how they're all in there. They obviously got sloppy with the way they positioned all their cards, but multiples in one pack. Maurice Cheeks. Another checklist. That's just a checklist. Sam Vincent. Bill Winnington. And our final two, Armin Gilliam and Dwayne Cashwell. So that was a very interesting rip. At least to me it was. And I don't know, out of all the other packs I've opened out of that box, not that I've done a ton, I still have about, so I'm doing a stack in each video. And I got so I have about 2 stacks left. But I didn't have any doubles in any of my other packs like that, so that's a little strange. I still got some neat cards, but none of the big players that I was looking for. But they're probably still in there somewhere, and hopefully, and the rest of those will get some more, maybe some more Michael Jordans and Magic Johnsons. I've yet to pull a Magic Johnson card, so that'd be cool to pull. And so yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Let's see, today's Wednesday. So my next video will be on Friday for Flyball Friday. Not exactly sure what I'll be opening for that. I have some ideas. I have a bunch of baseball stuff. But I'll be opening something baseball, obviously. So make sure you tune in for that. And hope everyone enjoyed the video. And everyone take care, stay healthy. Until next time, later.